Empower Digi Teach Project. Unit 4, Empowering Teachers' Technological Pedagogical Knowledge. Lesson 4.2, Collaborative Learning with Digital Technology.
Hi folks, today, I would like to bring to your attention that I am really struggling with engaging my students in productive collaborative learning in my online classroom. Some of my students are really eager to engage, but others keep silence and rely on others. However, I want all of my students to participate in the collaborative activities to get benefit from them. Is there any suggestions that you can provide me?
Can you tell us how do you engage your students in collaborative learning? What do you do?
I usually first teach the content through lecturing. Then, I assign students problems to solve and discuss with their peers through collaborative online discussion boards. However, their engagement has not been very productive so far. They usually only focuses on finding correct answer of the problem rather than engaging in critical analysis of each other response.
I understand. I recently attended a professional development seminar where they shared best practices of conducting productive online collaborative discussions as well as collaborative learning activities.
Oh, that's great. Can you tell us what those practices are and looks like in an online environment?
First, you should promote active participation and co-construction of knowledge in collaborative activity. Let's assume that you have given a problem of understanding socio-political causes of climate change to your students as a phenomenon to investigate in a collaborative learning environment. Microsoft Teams and Google Classroom are great learning management tools which they allow users to make private small groups. The feature in Microsoft Teams called Channels allows creation of small groups within a Teams. Each channel represents a private group which members of the groups can work as collaboratively within their channels. Similarly, Google Classroom has group function where you can create as many groups as you want and assign members to each groups from your classroom. That way, each group can conduct their independent group work. Once you form your small groups, each group works as an expert for an aspect of the issue. This group conducts in-depth research into the extent of the problem for which they are responsible. At this stage, you can use digital tools such as Miro or Padlet for allowing students to make their ideas and thinking visible to group members so that they can co-construct knowledge together. In addition to that, you can also use digital tools such as Google Docs for collaborative knowledge building. To get most benefit from the expert group work, you need to specify clear roles and responsibilities to students. There are no general roles that can work all of the collaborative situation. However, there are some roles important to think about. Clearly explain what experts should be able to do, what you expect from the experts when they return to their original group. After expert groups finish their work, each student returns to their original group. Each expert now teaches their subtopic to the rest of the group. They must explain key takeaways, clarify complex ideas, and answer questions. This phase promotes co-construction of knowledge, as students synthesize diverse perspectives to build a more comprehensive understanding of the overall problem. Task or problem should not be the one which only one student can solve or complete by himself or herself. Each student should have a responsibility regarding a different part of the problem. You should also create accountability to each other as well as you in terms of timely completion of the part that they are responsible for. To be able to solve a problem or propose a solution, each student should work on their part as well as try to make sense of their peers' part to be able to propose a solution. Effective communication and feedback is another important feature of a productive collaborative learning environment. The promotion of open communication channels, both synchronous and asynchronous, and the provision of constructive feedback can foster positive interactions and improve collaboration. Thus, you need to make sure to provide a medium where students share, discuss, and critique each other's work or contribution. There are various available tools that can be used to foster co-construction as well as provide open medium for productive communication during online collaborative learning. One such tool is Google Docs. Google Docs has various features that support collaborative knowledge construction as well as productive communication. It allows real-time co-editing and collaboration. Multiple users can edit simultaneously, fostering synchronous collaboration. Changes appear in real time, allowing students to build upon each other's ideas dynamically. Inline comments allow users to provide targeted feedback on specific text sections. Tagging enables direct communication with team members. Students can respond to comments, facilitating discussion and peer review cycles. Instead of direct editing, users can propose edits using suggesting mode. Facilitates revision processes in group work, allowing for structured modifications before finalizing content. A built-in chat feature allows users to discuss ideas in real time while working on a document. Version history and revision tracking allows students and teachers to track changes over time. Encourages reflective learning by letting students review their progression and identify improvements. Assessment and reflection is another aspect of a productive collaboration. At the last stage of collaborative learning, groups propose their solutions or answers to whole class and discuss each other's ideas. Students can present their solutions in various formats such as infographic using Canva. Then they discuss their proposed solutions via discussion boards such as within Google Classroom.
Whoa. That's a lot of tips. Thank you so much.